It looks funny.
He likes it.
You
Drink some water. Oh my gosh, you're gonna eat the whole tortilla? Yeah? You want me to heat it up? Good. Need some water. Okay, no more. I'm good. We'll get you some carrots. Watch him. I'm gonna get some carrots.
It's already cut up. You just need to put it in the microwave. What's the cup in behind?
It's empty.
It's that covered plate.
I thought you said you ate dinner.
We did. Just put like 10 seconds, 15, 12.
They're good? Here.
To put that on YouTube.
Good. Can I have it? Have it? Take this one. This one's soft. Those are hard. Here. Get some carrots.